Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this camera shake and bounce effect for your clips in CapCut. So first, just add clips that you want to edit and then go to the video effect. Click on the nightclub category and then add the camera shake effect. Okay, this one, and click on a check icon. Now put it in between the clips just like this, and then click on the effect, click on object and choose all videos. Okay, now you can just add keyframe at the start of the effect and set the range and speed to 35. Like this. Now add another one in the middle and set the range and speed to 100. Okay, add another one at the end of the effect and then set the range and speed to 20. Click on a check icon and now add the other effect, this one. This time you need to add the shake effect, still on the nightclub category. Find shake, this one. Put it the same like the camera shake effect. Click on object, all videos. Now add keyframe at the start and set the speed and intensity to 15. Okay, another one in the middle and adjust the speed intensity to 45. Okay, the last one, put it all to 0. Okay, now for the last effect, you need to add the flash bounce effect, still on the nightclub category. Okay, this flash bounce, put it the same like the other two effects. Click on object and all videos. Now add a keyframe at the start and then click on adjust and put everything to 0. Okay, and then another keyframe in the middle and set the speed to 100, intensity 50, and then the glow 10 and blur 50. Okay, now another keyframe at the end and then set everything back to 0. Okay, now you need to click on the second clip, go to animation, under the in category select the cross shake animation, set it for 0.3 seconds and you are done, and this will be the result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the thanks, like and comment if you have any questions. Bye.